Animals, plants, and humans breathe to stay alive. What is breathing? Breathing is the process in which our body takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. The system in our body that helps us breathe is known as the human respiratory system. The human respiratory system is composed of the nostril, nasal cavity, pharynx, epiglottis, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchiole, ribs, intercostal muscles, lungs, and diaphragm. Let's look at the structure of the lungs. Each lung is made of bronchioles and alveoli. Alveoli are air sacs, which are covered with a network of blood capillaries. The breathing mechanism involves two processes, inhalation and exhalation. During inhalation, air moves into the lungs. During exhalation, air is removed from the lungs into the environment. What is the pathway of air during inhalation? During inhalation, the pathway of air starts from the nostrils, then to the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and ends in the alveoli. What about the pathway of air during exhalation? During exhalation, the pathway starts from the alveoli, then to the bronchioles, bronchi, trachea, larynx, pharynx, nasal cavity, and out through the nostrils. Now let's see what happens when we inhale. During inhalation, the intercostal muscles contract and the rib cage moves up and out. The diaphragm contracts, moves down, and flattens. The thoracic cavity becomes bigger, and this lowers the air pressure in the thoracic cavity. The higher atmospheric pressure pushes the air into the lungs. During exhalation, the intercostal muscles relax, and the rib cage moves down and in. The diaphragm relaxes and curves upwards. The thoracic cavity becomes smaller, and this increases the air pressure in the thoracic cavity. The higher air pressure in the lungs forces the air out.